My people, now we don't call my channel before. Welcome back. If today not the first time we they reach my channel, say now today be the first time we they take your two kuru I see me. Now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Soma. Before I continue today's video, make a reminder now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Now so wanna do well. My people, today video. Not a way person no go see for this YouTube, not a way person no go see. Before I continue today's video, before I go even talk anything, for today's video, make I let you read this comment. So this na comment when somebody leave for one of my videos for this my pidgin English channel. Some of you don't know, but me, not be this one be my first channel. I don't forget another channel where I the blue grammar. You dey hear? I don't explain for one of my videos say how this channel take start now. Say for that my other channel where the blue grammar. One time, you know, people they ask me all this question where you know this guy where I got say I grew up for Benin. Now they can say people can say if I grew up for Benin, make I prove and say make I speak pidgin. I say to speak pidgin again, that one I work. I say to speak pidgin again, but that one I work. What did there? And so I take do pidgin English video. I do this video finish. People come they say they like her. May I do another one? Some I do another one. And so I do another one. People will say the outsiders where they my channel come they vex for me say you know say we no dey understand why you go speak what we no go understand. Now I can take I say true it no good say as I dey speak for there some people no dey understand what I dey talk. Now I can say okay make I just come create separate channel where I go dey come here come dey do separate video, especially from sometimes where I won't do video be say you know I just want to do for pidgin English. That's what this channel is start. So for me when they come to blow grammar I still sabi. No be say grammar be my problem. You dey hear? No be say grammar be my problem. Me, when they born me, when my papa and mama born me, now Lagos we did that time. You hear? We did Lagos that time. I learned Igbo and Yoruba the same time. The first two languages, I speak Igbo, Yoruba together. Now the two languages where I fell learn. I learned at the same time. Igbo language and Yoruba language, I learned at the same time. When I be small picking. Wait later now for when we call come out for Lagos, we call come Benin. Now so I tell learn pidgin English. Now even pidgin English I feel learn before I could learn correct English. I don't feel like now. Now I feel learn before I learn correct English. Before I speak correct English. Now when I did secondary school, whether 13 years I've been at 12 years, we have to learn correct English. Even till today, if I want to talk with my family members, now, if we no speak Igbo, we go speak pidgin English. Now those two languages we speak for her. So I don't know what I don't understand. Another thing I want to talk, our people sometimes, I don't know whether this person a Niger person, I don't know. But you see our people, you go see Niger person where go Jammu country. When they go come back from Jammu country, come they speak Rasta English. And some people go to Hela. They speak Jamaican English, and so they go to Hela. But our own pidgin English will be our own, so people go to vex when person speaker. Make una tell me how ordinary say I speak pidgin English go to vex somebody. Make una tell me. I never, you see, say not the way you go do this like people know. How that one go to vex somebody, make una see. You know, when it comes to English, I can speak English. That's not a problem. So because I speak pidgin English now, you can't vex I speak pidgin English. Well, I don't just understand. See, okay, another thing I want to talk and say, waiting language self, waiting language before. No be to they communicate. No be the important thing. The thing we cocoa for there and I say you they talk. Now to they talk, make person understand you. No be the important thing. I can't create channel where say my people where they understand pidgin, people where they understand pidgin, they watch and they understand me. Even some of them when they understand, they learn for this my channel. So people don't let me come and say now this channel they want to improve their pidgin. You see, so some people they happy, some people they vex. Where you they see. Another thing again why they think that say some people be like say they confused. You know some people they say this. I be like say some people they confused. This channel different from the other one. For here, no only pidgin I they speak. For the other channel, I they blow grammar. So people can see and for suggested video. When they come watch and they go come to say, should they speak pidgin for the English one? No, not two different channel I get. And the other one, when I so people they ask me for here, what be the name of the other what be the name of your other channel? That my other channel na Summer Aku. And with Summer Aku vlogs. But this one na Summer Aku Pidgin TV. You see the difference? The name difference they there. The name difference there. You know, some people they ask me, what is the name of your other channel? I won't go subscribe. My own thing I say, some of you will like this channel. When I feel no like the English one, because some of the things why they talk about there, it vex some people. Now they try they tell you now. Some people like this channel, they don't like the other one. Some people like the other one, they don't like this one. Some people like the two. So I just let you know if you go there and I feel no like her because I did discuss some kind of corruption where there's our churches for Nigeria, and the way we say some pastors go get all this money, they go they chop belly full. Church members where we say Jesus follow die for, they know they chop belly full. All those guys I discuss for that side. Some people don't like her. So the two different channels different. This one now they do other things, but that other channel, the message I want spread for that channel. Now message we say I want everybody to hear me. Now grandma they blow for that side. So that one different. So I just want to make a clearer because some people, even the other day now, I make video for the other channel. Somebody watch and I say, I miss the pidgin English. I say, this one a different channel. People still they confused. When they watch any of my video, just look under there. You must see where I even write my hair. Now here, I realize I write my title here. For the other channel, it will just be Summer Ako. Now you go see for there. But this channel, you go see and say the right Summer Ako Pidgin TV. You go see and say the right Summer Ako Pidgin TV. So now two different ones. So now if you say I like to subscribe to the two channel, no wahala. But if you say only the grammar, oh you like, no problem. But you say now this one, only this one you like, no problem as well, no problem there at all. So me, my own thing, I say any language for this world where I feel learn. I like to learn. Not today, they make person speak different language. They speak this one, they speak that one. You know. At the end of the day, the thing I say, the thing where they important I say, person where they people where they try to talk to, they understand me. So anything at all where person speak for this one, she mean as some people be deaf and dumb, they don't feel talk with their mouth, they do hand, they do sign, they talk to each other. Now somebody cause they speak pidgin English, person they vex. Uncle, no vex. If you don't like this channel, I beg, no subscribe. Stay for the other side. Or if you say because of this channel you want unsubscribe, no vex, so unsubscribe. Life no hard like that. Make you no complicate your life. You don't like what I do for my channel. Come out your hand. Go watch the channel we go let you watch. I know go vex for you. Are you at all? What I go vex for? For waiting now. What I no go vex. Nothing did there. Life no hard reach like that. You know rush hard no life no hard reach like that. Find the thing we go make less with you, make you they follow. I mean they tell I no go vex. If you say you don't like this channel, you know want watch the other one at all, you won't unsubscribe, no problem at all. Life no I they make video all the time. I they tell people say no carry troubles of this word for your head. In my language, ebulu wanisi. Don't carry Igbo language, ebulu wanisi. No carry the word on your head. No carry this word for your head. No carry the word for your head. Keep your life simple. If this my channel they give you headache, say this my channel they give you migraine, they give you headache, if they give you frustration, no watch them at all. But if you say you like and you won't watch. Or you say you don't like this one, another one you like, no problem. Or you say you like the two, no problem. Or you say now this one you like, no problem. Life no hard like that at all. You know hard like that at all. Leave this channel for those people who like what they do for you. People they talk and say one man food, another man poison. They talk and what one person go like, another person no go like. That's so life be. That's so life be. Not be everything I go be fight, everything I be quanta here and there, everything for this life I be fight, argue. Yeah, not be so. Some things for this life you know reach what they carry. Some things for this life no reach what they carry for life. You don't even know me for real life, not only for internet you see me. If you never ever see me for your lifetime at all, you call they like my pidgin English video, they frustrate you, they pay you for body, they frustrate you. The life no tough rich like that. You don't talk rich like that. Me, I don't talk any language at all where me as Sabi. You not date here. I get one friend for this Europe. This boy na Barak. Na Barak, this boy grew up. His papa na military man. They travel from state to state. This boy they speak Igbo, they speak Yoruba, they speak Hausa, they speak Bini, they speak their own Delta Igbo language. Not language we know they speak because now from state to state where they move. Now this boy learn different languaguages. Anywhere where this boy go now, anywhere where this boy go now, before you talk anything, go follow you speak your language well. Now in Ghana, now any language when you feel speak. Nothing there. Me I don't see anything at all way bad for pidgin English. You know some of our people feel say if they speak pidgin English you be local person. If they speak pidgin English now you say you know posh. If they speak pidgin English now you say you be. I never do any video talks like posh. I don't tell people before. Man they let all the phone where they speak for the other channel they confuse you. I be local girl. I don't talk before. China because I can't come abroad, I call they pretend like I know speak pidgin. Why be some people they prefer the way they pretend? They do like say they no feel shit. They do like say they no feel mess. They feel like say they no feel do anything. Why be saying that kind of people now? Some people they prefer for this life. First we can come now doing normal thing. May I tell you the truth? Forget how they speak for this channel. My brothers and sisters, if I call them today now for full pidgin English will they speak. Many of my friends for this abroad, even when I meet them, pidgin English they speak. So because I they go there, go the blow some kind of grammar. Some people to say see this they look use that kind eye they look me. No use that kind eye look me. Oh, now so how they talk as I they talk for this channel. So now so how they talk for my normal life. As how they talk. Even my children know how to speak. But even my children they understand because I they speak away. I they speak away. I I dey speak and well. Even sometimes my children don't. Sometimes my children don't. They use small pidgin till they answer me. I brought them from abroad. They speak with phone. They do all those ones, but they still understand pidgin. They even speak pidgin. Not say they speak plenty, but they say there's a bit small. There's a bit small. So if now one person they pretend, not be me. Or I don't know if they find person they pretend, we know how to pretend. I know sabi pretend. Now so now my life you they see so. Now my life this is so my everyday life now be this one. The other one I say that other channel I say I dey blow grammar so that everybody for the world go feel understand me. Show you the here. But for this channel now for this channel now be the real me, the way where they take talk of my everyday life now be this one. I mean they tell you. So I know be ajebota. I don't make video for but that my big channel I don't talk I say I know be ajebota, I be ajepako. I don't what did they talk? So if I call you and I call they pretend they do like say see me, they do like this. Now that one so people define. Now they define. Me I don't know. I don't know what you get. I don't know what they get I won't talk. I don't talk I finish. If you know say you know like pidgin English, say this is what they do for here. They give you headache, you know really like her. No watch them at all. I mean they tell you. And how you go to know the difference that say when you see the video, you go be the title, when you see the name where they in a summer ako Pidgin TV. Once you see that, no click. If you know say na the other channel you like, when you see the one with the right summer ako vlog, watch that one. Vlogs, watch that one. If you see the one with the right summer ako Pidgin English, Pidgin TV, no watch. If you say you like the two channel, hallelujah. If you say you don't like this one, no wahala at all. Or you say you don't like the other one, no wahala at all. In life, no tough rich like that. Till today, I don't feel like if I even Yoruba say I know sabi Yoruba well again, I still sabi dear anymore. But even Yoruba, as I speak Yoruba, when I tell you I say when I be small picking, I speak Yoruba well. I speak Igbo well. But as we come out for Lagos that time, I can't forget Yoruba and my Yoruba no come, can't really done again. You understand? My Yoruba no come done well again. Mo dear, go check me mo people dear. By ni mo gbọ́ at least mo gbọ́ èdè Yorùbá abi then aso Igbo obo aso Igbo ana ma aso Igbo ofuma and I no grow up for Igbo land I no grow up for Igbo land at all but ana ma aso Igbo ofuma maka gịnị nne m na nna m na-asụ asụsụ Igbo n'ụlọ nna nna m kụziri anyị asụsụ Igbo ofuma even though I no grow up for Igbo land I sụrụ asụsụ Igbo n'ụlọ ofuma so ana ma asụ Igbo ofuma I don't talk another pidgin and Benin I grew up so Benin na pidgin English. Now there I learn pidgin English. The only thing we be say I can't regret. I say it was say I feel speak Benin. Now that one they really pain me, but not be my fault because for Benin they know they speak Amo. They know they speak even the day and the one day all of them. Now pidgin English all of them they speak. Many Benin people know they speak their language, but now they wish say to say already. But half of them I don't fit teach myself now. I don't know. All my friends everybody na pidgin will they speak. So now so English now I don't learn now. I learn English when I did in Nigeria. When I enter secondary school, I learn English. I come abroad now. I don't know say sometimes this phone whether you like it or not. Phone go enter your mouth somehow. Still get one kind small phone where they manage for the other channel. All that one I still sabi. So nothing did they say as I sabi pidgin so they take and to do video. Nothing did they. I beg. No let life frustrate you. This kind of thing no rich person they verse put. I just got beg you. Take them easy. You know like I beg no watch. Life no hard rich like that. I just got beg you. My people will be like say I go leave today video for there. When I do I say when I go watch my video. Until next time, my people. Na bye bye you. Na bye bye.